Are you struggling to connect with your audience? We have the solution. Welcome to listbuildingresources.com, your #1 hub for powerful list building tools and strategies. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Why build an email list? Because it's your business's secret weapon. You should be engaging directly with your audience, boosting conversions, creating loyal fans, and growing your business on autopilot using your email marketing list. At listbuildingresources.com, we offer free guides, top-tier email marketing tools, step-by-step tutorials, and expert tips. It's everything you need to build, grow, and optimize your email list. Start growing your list in 3 simple steps. Choose your tools, implement proven strategies, advertise to our growing membership base using solo ads, banner ads, text ads, and more. And watch your list grow with engaged subscribers. No matter your industry, if you want to build an email list that drives sales and grows your brand, listbuildingresources.com is here to help. Sign up today and start growing a profitable email list that delivers results. Ready to take the leap? Join us now